Hello everybody, welcome to E! Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Jamaican reggae legend Beres Hammond was on Saturday awarded the honorary degree Doctor of Letters by the University of the West Indies, Mona. In a brief speech, Hammond shared his inspirations, including singers Alton Ellis, Stevie Wonder, Sam Cooke, and Otis Redding. Now, Hammond acknowledged the dignitaries and thanked his fans for their support throughout the last 50 years. He has produced 22 solo albums, including 13 for VP Records. When asked about his longevity in the music business, Hammond said he didn't study it, but simply did it. He also praised Third World co-founder Ibo Cooper, calling him a genius and a man of discipline who helped get many through. Hammond thanked his fans for helping his songs become hits, and hits they were.
I make good songs and you turn them into hits for me. I want to thank all of you for that. Yeah. Here I am, I know what else to say. So guess what? Love all of you.
Now, Atlanta on Saturday heard some of the freshest sounds in dancehall, reggaeton, amapiano, and hip-hop as the Red Bull Culture Clash 2023 brought four dynamic crews together vying for one title. The clash saw Tony Maton, Sir DJ Corey, and Jabba repping ROM Punch Brunch Crew reclaim their title by bringing the energy, the heat, and music to the stage. Maton and his team did not stop at bringing just the vibes, as they brought on the Drift Boss himself, TJ, the Geneva Sidonia, Governor, Mr. Lex, and Vanessa Bling. In an Eat Prime exclusive, Maton held tightly to the 2023 trophy as his team ROM Punch Brunch rejoiced and thanked fans for helping them to reclaim their title.
These are the men who held the machine. Yeah. One turntable, next turntable. We are the shutters who do the MCing. These are the men behind the music, the mix, and all of the stuff in them. Make sure they drop out them right. Make sure the song them cue up right. Really chin.
Mix right, everything.
Corey, give it up, man.
Yardmass excites with costume premiere. National Indoor Sports Centre will house specially invited guests, elegantly dressed and seated. The Yardmass premiere band launch off to a late start. Guests growing impatient, but with the best late entry of the century. Yardmass recaptured the attention of guests, leaving them in awe. Taking a concept from 10 different movies, while Campari was on board to whet the palates of patrons. Now, Hardwine gets hit by a tornado. Long lines, people filing in, mass camp filled with a sea of people. Hardwine on a mission to outscore Monday's 5.6 magnitude earthquake with a... And with Campari on board to fuel the energy, Hardwine was nothing short of a spinning good time. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.